Hello. So today I'm gonna do a mukbang of my food, my quarantine food here in Vietnam. My hair. I just did a dry wash and go with my Eco Styler. And this is how it turned out. Not bad. It's like 65% dry. At least this side is. This side I did after I did this side, so it's like 45, 60, 40, 60. Yeah, not bad. I was worried about my shrinkage, and I still got some loose pieces, but this is not a hair video. This is a mukbang video. So, this is my food. In case I never mentioned, when they come to deliver the food, they knock on the door and then they just put it on a little table outside the door. It's getting blurry. So I don't remember what I ordered. So I'm gonna tell you what I ordered. I ordered this is lunch, so I ordered 14 shrimp with curry sauce. No, that's dinner. Never mind. I ordered. Give me a second. Like y'all. Okay. Let me see what I ordered. I ordered a grilled seafood. Steamed vegetables. And some beef soup with vegetables. So, oh my god, if it's some more of these lychees, I'm so tired of eating lychees. More lychees. It's lychee season here, so that's the majority of the fruit I get. Yes. My vegetables. Vegetables with salt. So like sauteed vegetables. This is a soup. Vegetable soup. Both this vegetable soup and the vegetables like in a cup are good. I like how they're sauteed. You got plastic wrap on. Oh look. Oh wow. Someone outdid themselves today with the food. So this has soup. I can't cut it off on the grill. Maybe. Let's see. This is how it looks. That's the meat. Okay. My soup. Now, here's the main course. Oh, wow. They really outdid themselves. Whoever is the chef now, a big thumbs up. I'm impressed. It's kebabs. Okay. Y'all must have not seen my video. I think my hotel saw my video. Look at her. I haven't had a container like this yet. Look at that. Look at the grill on the seafood, on the shrimp. I'm absolutely loving it. I hope it's as good as it looks. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. I'm pretty impressed by the display. Now let's see how it tastes. All the cutlery is wooden. It's wood. I'm kind of getting sick of it, to be honest, because I keep these little pieces of wood on my food sometimes. I gotta be careful. Okay. Y'all done outdid yourself. Look at her. Look at her. Not bad at all. This is actually quite nice. Okay. Still cold, but I dig it. The seasoning. This seasoning is fire. It tastes familiar. I think this is the same Italian seasoning that's on the pizza. But this is good. Sorry if I'm smacking, but this is what they do in mukbangs. They eat normally. Well, they do exaggerate sometimes. I'm hungry, so I don't really care about trying to eat cute. So, from my understanding, sorry. I forgot what I was about to say. So I'm trying to take it off the sticks. There's so much wood going on. Let's see. This the I think it's squid. I don't know. I'm pretty happy they grilled it. So it is grilled seafood. If it's gonna be like this every week, it's busting. So far, so good. Not bad at all. Is it like chicken? Kinda. It's fish. Obviously, it's grilled seafood. I wonder what fish is this. Oh, I got that piece of hair like that, like Michael Jackson. Okay, let me shut up. I do not want to become a meme. Hot pepper. Another salad. I hope this cucumbers taste good. This pepper not hot. Not bad. So, I feel awkward sitting here eating in front of y'all. I'll be honest. I know it's supposed to be a mukbang, but I feel like I know better. So, I'm going to eat my food.